Here's how to transform your normal video into a 4K HDR video in CapCut PC. Start by opening CapCut and dragging your video onto the timeline. Now click on Adjustment and choose Custom Adjustment. Go to Curves and adjust the curves for brightness as well as the red, green, and blue channels as needed. Extend the adjustment layer so it applies to the entire video. Next, go to Effects, choose Lens, find Blur, and add it to the timeline. Adjust it so it applies to the full video. Now, export this video. After exporting, delete those layers from the timeline. Import your exported video and drag it back onto the timeline. Now, go to Blend Mode and select Color Burn, then reduce the opacity to around 30. Next, export a white background and drag it onto the timeline. Set its blend mode to Overlay and reduce the opacity slightly. Now, select your main video and start fine-tuning the adjustments. Adjust hue, saturation, brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, sharpness, and clarity. You can also adjust the HSL settings if needed. Here are recommended values you can use. Brightness, -5. Contrast, 10. Saturation, 10. Sharpness, 50. Clarity, 25. Highlights, 10. Shadows, -15. Extend the adjustment layer so it applies to the full video. And that's it. Your HDR video is ready and you can export it in 4K. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-step.